Hey y'all, thanks for joining us. On this week's menu, we'll be making green beaned almondine. This is a fantastic quick dish. It packs a lot of punch with just a few ingredients. It's the perfect side for a fish dish or for chicken, and it takes about 20 minutes to make. So you'll need green beans, garlic, shallot, lemon, butter, almonds, and then salt and pepper. So let's get started. We're going to begin by mincing our garlic. Next, we'll chop our shallot. Finally, we will zest the lemon. You just want to take the outside skin off the lemon till it becomes white like that. I'm using a microplaner to do this. Now we're ready to blanch our green beans. Over medium to high heat, add the slivered almonds to a dry sauté pan and cook until they're nice and brown, stirring often. After the almonds are nice and toasted, we're going to transfer them to a bowl to stop the cooking and make sure that they don't burn. In the same pan that we toasted the almonds in, add water and some salt. Let it come to a boil, and then we're going to drop in our green beans for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is just to blanch them, to bring out some more color, and to cook them slightly. After 4 minutes, we're going to pour the green beans into the colander and then turn cold water over them to stop the cooking process. In the same pan that you blanched the green beans and toasted the almonds in, we're going to add the butter, let that melt. Then we're going to add our shallot and cook for a few minutes. Then we'll add our garlic. Once you begin to smell the garlic and the shallot, we'll add back in the green beans. Next, we'll add our lemon zest. Add the almonds. Oh, one fell out of the pan. keep on jumping out on me. Season with a little salt and some black pepper. And then the final touch is a squirt of fresh lemon. Thanks so much for joining us this week. This is one of my favorite ways to serve green beans, and they are truly so delicious. They still have that nice crispy texture to them, but you get the almonds, you get the garlic, you get that lovely shallot in there. It's definitely a showstopper, even though it's not a main course. Enjoy, guys.